Ford signs a 5-year agreement with Stripe to scale e-commerce. So I'm going to buy my next Ford online, right?
Yes.
With Stripe.
Yeah.
How do I send them that much cash, though? Ford plans to begin rolling out Stripe's technology in the second half of 2022, starting with North America, aims to roll out in Europe as well as later on. Last year, Stripe raised $600 million round at an evaluation of $95 billion. Stop. Stripe? Holy cow.
Yeah.
A lot of payments being processed over there. And the company said it will use that money to expand into Europe. Stripe will facilitate transactions for vehicle orders and reservations. So maybe it will be down payments. Maybe it will be automatic payments for financing or for a lease. The tie-up with Stripe is part of Ford's larger Ford Plus restructuring plan and electrification and growth strategy, into which the company plans to invest $30 billion by 2025. Just becoming more modern, being inspired by some of the newcomers in the space, where you just throw a few bucks down and all of a sudden you're buying cars.
Yeah.
Throw a few $100, pre-orders. I mean, feeling like sort of more like the tech industry.
Yeah. I just had a terrifying idea of...
Go ahead, Will.
If you're not able to pay Stripe in your car or something, your car kind of like malfunctions. Just kind of stops like until you make a payment.
Easy. Holy cow.
You're like currently driving.
I don't know that the integration will be that to that extent.
I know. It's just I had a terrifying.
But I will say when I bought the Model S, it was a completely electronic experience, right? You're online and you order it, and then
there's no money.
There's no money exchange.
There's no briefcase of cash.
Even when you go to pay for it, it's bank information. You're just trying to wire transfer funds and things. I mean, I'm not talking about the down payment, but so it's like, it is a bit weird. You kind of need a slightly more streamlined payment processing. And I mean, maybe one day it's crypto, but in the meantime, these electronic payment platforms could definitely make it more seamless than like sharing bank details.
Yeah, you pay in your car, something like that. I don't know.
No, I mean, you could just, it would happen automatically. Your payments, but I'm just saying, like, I don't know. They could have some sort of an interface, which is just a little bit more inviting, a little bit more, making users a little bit more comfortable. But it's part of their electrification strategy, so it's going to be part of this whole movement towards, becoming more like Tesla and Rivian and all the rest of them.